Since the PSG star moved to Real Madrid, Kylian Mbappe has struggled to find his shooting footage of the club. The legend Cristiano Ronaldo, speaking about the challenges of joining Real Madrid, has recently brought attention to people. The five-time Ballon d'Or winner went through the same pressure Mbappe is now feeling at Real Madrid, he explained in an interview. All footage of Cristiano Ronaldo speaking on Kylian Mbappe and the pressure of playing for Real Madrid has gone viral, coinciding with the French forward's recent struggle at the Spanish club. Mbappe, who joined Real Madrid in a high-profile summer move, has faced mounting criticism after missing back-to-back penalties against Liverpool and Atletico Bilbao. In the resurfaced clip shared on social media, Ronaldo, speaking to Rio Ferdinand, offered a point warning about the challenges of playing at Real Madrid. Let's see if this head is clear and good enough, and if he can deal with the pressure because Real Madrid is not PSG. Ronaldo said, I think Madrid will be strong with Mbappe, but I don't know if they'll be better than last season. Let's see, as he explained on an interview.
This is clear and good. And if they can do the because Real Madrid is not PSG, I can tell you. Mbappe will go there now. How would you say Madrid gonna be better or gonna be? We don't know. Let's see. Let's see. I think Madrid will keep strong, but I don't know if they will be better than last year. I don't know. Let's see. Only God's know. But they have a fantastic team, fantastic players.